The Scrambler 400 is surely an amazing bike, but let's be honest, its headlight isn't. On highways and unlit roads, stock headlamps just don't offer enough throw and width. For touring and night rides, auxiliary lights become a need, not an upgrade. And today I welcome you to our new series, Tried and Tested, where we review bike accessories, riding gears and more, and not just based on specs, based on real-world riding experience. I have been using the Maddog Alpha for around 10,000 kilometers, and my friend riding the same bike has been using the Maddog Lycan. Across multiple rides and terrains, one thing has been really sure, that these lights are absolute must-haves, especially if you enjoy long-distance riding. Because no matter how you plan your rides, night riding is inevitable, and that's where a proper auxiliary light setup makes a huge difference. We have used both Alpha and Lycan extensively on highways, through twisty ghats, and even during some soft roading at night. And in real-world conditions, experience from both the lights have been very similar.
Excellent throw, widespread and strong overall visibility, which directly translates into confidence while riding after sundown. The yellow filters offered by Maddog deserve a special mention. Both the setups were used by us with yellow filters while riding through the ghats of Kurg, where we reached the hills post-sundown in foggy and low visibility conditions. And honestly, the difference was noticeable. The filters helped us cut through the fog, reduce glare, and made the ride far smoother and less tiring. If it weren't for these auxiliary lights, that ghat section wouldn't have felt nearly as comfortable or controlled.
On highways, both these lights perform well with the transparent filters, but I personally prefer the yellow filters because they are easier on the eyes, especially on long night rides. But of course, it is a matter of personal preference. Some might prefer the white filter and some might prefer the yellow ones. Although one thing which I strongly recommend is, no matter if you are using Alpha or Lycan, is to always use these lights with the filters installed. Apart from the beam characteristics, these filters really protect your lights from stones, debris, and everything else which Indian roads have to throw at you. And when it comes to build quality, both Alpha and Lycan are extremely well built. We have had a few off-road mishaps, and neither the lights nor their mounts showed any signs of damage.
The switches provided by Maddog are another highlight. The Alpha setup comes with a switch that offers a momentary flicker function along with a full-on mode. The Lycan setup allows switching between low beam, high beam or both, giving more flexibility depending on riding condition. Both switches are completely waterproof, and that's something I can confidently say from my real-world experience.
Also, I'll be adding the prices of both the lights, their mounts and switches towards the end of this video.
Now talking about the specs for a bit, the Maddog Alpha comes with an IP67 waterproof rating, puts out 80 watts of power and produces 9600 lumens of brightness. It offers a beam distance of up to 300 meters with a 70-30 split between spot and flood, which I've personally found to be more than sufficient for highway touring and night riding. You also get an 18-month manufacturer warranty with the Alpha. The Maddog Lycan, on the other hand, delivers 10,800 lumens at same 80 watts, along with a similar IP67 waterproof rating. In terms of beam performance, it offers a 250 meter spot beam on high and a wide 150 meter flood on low, with close to 180 degrees of spread, along with a hybrid beam pattern of 60% spot and 40% flood. Just like the Alpha, the Lycan also comes with an 18-month manufacturer warranty.
Specs aside, in real-world condition, both these lights perform extremely well, and choosing between them really comes down to the kind of riding you do and the kind of control which you need from your setup. So to wrap things up, both the Maddog Alpha and Lycan solve one very real problem which the Scrambler 400X and many other bikes face, which is underwhelming stock headlamps. And after using these lights on highways, ghats, and especially the Kurg ghats during night time, we have figured out one thing, that these lights deliver where it matters most:
Visibility, confidence and safety.
If it works on the road, it's tried and tested.